kind of the symmetry that's occurring right now with the NASDAQ 100 QQQ and Nvda retracing back up to its 9-month channel bottom. This is a weekly chart at 482.32. Also on Thursday came very close to testing the 487.93 5/8 upside Fibonacci. This is a zone of resistance able to contain buying through May. From here we can fall away for the next several months. Inversely, if we close above 487.93, I expect bullish continuation through the month of May. So that picture is not altogether different than the weekly chart that we find on Nvda, where we've got also a former rising 9-month channel bottom that is for the entire week 111.64. The weekly chart tends to rule the longer term signals, and so 114.12 is a descending channel top. We actually pushed noticeably through on Thursday. On the daily chart it's at 112.25. On the weekly chart it's 114.12. Bottom line is, if we close today, Friday, the week itself, below 111.64, this market is still very susceptible to falling away through May into June, the lower 80s in reach over the next couple of months. 80.75 is 2-year channel support, able to contain an annual low. Now, inversely, if we close today above 114.12, just the opposite. I think we have a good second quarter low and quite possibly a good annual low. I wouldn't doubt that the low 150s in reach again. I'm going to call this 3 to 5 months or sooner. On the way, yes, we have descending speed line resistance at 124.37. So if we close above 114.12 today, I see no good reason to be short Nvda. Really into the third quarter, we can push into the low 150s again within 3 to 5 months or sooner. Within a couple of weeks, I would expect the mid to upper 120s. 124.37 is a descending 2/3 speed line, and also a 5/8 Fibonacci at 127.72. We're not there yet, but if we do close today, once again, above 114.12, if you're short, I think you want to at least get out, if not reverse altogether, and play the long side. Play the long side into the mid 120s within 1 to 2 weeks. That's a decent swing trade in itself, and into the low 150s as more of kind of a near-term investment within 3 to 5 months or sooner. Until then, we can fall back into the low 80s once again as we continue into May, June activity. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.